Class 8 Crop Production and Management. Irrigation. Water is important for the proper growth and development of plants. Plants absorb water from their surroundings with the help of the root system. Irrigation. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. Fertilizers can also be applied through the irrigation. The various sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, and canals. Effective irrigation is the controlled and uniform supply of water to crops in the required amount at the right time with the minimum expenditure. Types of irrigation. There are two types, traditional methods and modern methods. Traditional methods. In these methods, irrigation is done manually. Here, farmer pulls out water from wells or canals by himself or using cattle and carries to farming fields. Pumps are also commonly used for lifting water from various sources. Diesel, biogas, electricity, and solar energy are the few important sources of energy needed to run these pumps. The method of pulling water may vary from one place to another place. The main advantage of this method is that it is cheaper, but its efficiency is poor because of an uneven distribution of water. It also leads to heavy water loss. Modern methods. The modern irrigation methods help to overcome the problems exist in the traditional methods. It also facilitates the even distribution of moisture in the field. The modern methods involve two systems. They are sprinkler system and drip system. Sprinkler system. Sprinkler system. A sprinkler system sprinkles water over the crop and helps in an even distribution of water. This method is much advisable in areas facing water scarcity. Here a pump which generates pressure is connected to pipes and water is sprinkled through the fine nozzles of pipes. Drip irrigation. In drip system, water is released drop by drop exactly at the root zone using a hose. This method is considered as the effective one in regions where the availability of water is less. Do you know the global population is expected to be 9 billion by the year 2050, but agricultural activities alone utilize 70% of the available freshwater resources. So, efficient and sustainable water use is needed for our own generation and future generations. Drip irrigation is a better solution for economic use of water.
Thanks for watching this video.